I've had this Evolution metal cutting saw for about 5 years now. Really like how it cuts cleaner and quicker than an abrasive saw with less sparks. The only downside to it is that the saw blades are about $60 a piece. So I've come up with this way to sharpen the saw blades with the angle grinder. And in this video, basically I'm going to show you the profile to grind to get a fresh edge on the carbide to continue cutting with this one blade. I've been able to use the same blade with this technique almost to a point where I've run out of the carbide. So 25 times easily. This is the profile you need to achieve with the angle grinder. See how it's angled towards the back. And once you achieve this, you're able to get smoother cuts, quicker cuts, and last around about 50 cuts before you have to sharpen again. I've also found out that you can get even more cuts if you use a diamond coated cutting disc, and in another video I'll go on how to sharpen this blade using that. But as you can see, after sharpening this blade, it easily cuts to this 1 inch round barred mile steel.